with Dawood, the manager of the Peshawari Kababs restaurant. He gonna cook for me. How you doing, brother?
Alhamdulillah, how are you?
Everything
nice
is
meeting
good?
You.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Thanks for coming.
This is Ali from YouTube channel Coffee with Ali.
Nice meeting you,
Thank
Ali.
you, brother. Thank you. Could you direct me? And he's one of the important friend. See, he coming to gonna order. You order the food or you already ordered it?
Every time we're coming here, and especially Charsi Kebab. Try that one.
Which Chelsea?
Charsi Kebab.
Oh, Chelsea Kebab. Are you Chelsea?
I'm not. I'm trying to be.
He's trying to be Chelsea. Okay. So we go together.
You are gonna eat Charsi Kebab.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat Chelsea Kebab. I'm also like half of Chelsea.
No, you have to know the story behind the Charsi Kebab. Nowadays, it's very famous on the YouTube.
Okay.
So, especially for the YouTuber, you guys should know that why it's called Charsi, because Charsi means hash.
Harsh. Oh yeah.
So why it's called Charsi Kebab and Charsi Karhai? Because the guy who invented it in Peshawar,
Okay.
who made it very famous,
Okay.
because he smokes. His
Smoke.
name is Nisar Charsi.
Nisar Chelsea.
Yes, that is the story behind the Charsi Tikka and Charsi Karhai. So
Okay.
he's very famous over there in the Peshawar.
Okay.
All over people from all over the Pakistan comes there to eat in the Namak Mandi, the Charsi Karhai and the Charsi
Karhai.
Tikka.
Awesome. Let's get started.
So this is my small little kitchen,
Wow.
Shawali.
This is the tandoor
This is a tandoor for the kebabs.
for kebabs.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this.
Yeah, these are okay. This is the chicken tikka kebab.
Chicken tikka kebab.
Yes. And this is the chicken seekh kebab, which is the ground meat of
Okay.
chicken.
Awesome.
Okay. And then we also have the tandoori chicken breast.
Okay. Awesome.
Delicious.
Looks yummy, yummy.
It is yummy. And the most famous and the most hot item on our menu is Peshawari Charsi Tikka Namkeen.
This is Chelsea.
Peshawari Charsi Tikka.
Peshawari Charsi Tikka.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this. Wow.
Look at the juice coming out of the
Yeah.
every single piece
My
of it.
mouth's watering, man. Look at this. Guys, you only can find this Chelsea kebab in
Peshawari Kababs
Peshawari-
restaurant in Union City, California, 94587. Okay, now we move next to the gas tandoor, which is not charcoal. The one that you just saw, that is charcoal.
Okay.
So we also use sometimes this for the chicken breast or legs.
Okay.
Sometimes, mostly when it's not busy.
Okay.
Other than that, we make naans in this tandoor.
Okay.
So in a couple of minutes, I'm gonna make naans and then I'll show you.
Sure. Awesome.
And one of the most important thing in the Peshawari kebabs,
Okay.
we believe in the fresh meat. So as you see, we make karhai. For example, I got this order for one karhai for
Okay.
later on, about 7-8 pounds.
Okay.
We always have fresh meat. We cut our own meat. I cut my own meat and I make the karhai and the
Okay.
Charsi Tikka and all the other stuff that I have.
Look at this. Everything's so professional, clean, everything. Halal meat.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Zabiha halal.
Zabh halal with hand, yeah?
Yes, hand slaughtered.
Hand slaughter. Awesome. Awesome.
This is the Uzbeki palau I'm going to make right now. So I'll show you how to make it also.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
A little bit and then we will see it.
Awesome.
Be dampuk Uzbeki.
Dampuk Uzbeki.
Yes.
To what time you guys open?
We are open till 10 p.m. every
10
day.
p.m., okay.
Weekdays and the weekend then in the midnight.
Midnight.
11, 11:30, midnight, 12.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. How you doing, brother? All right. All right. What's your name?
Hot.
Faz?
Yes.
Are you also from Peshawar?
Yes.
Awesome. Peshawar. Senge chalde. Senge.
Yes.
Khair de. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, brother Ali.
Okay.
This is Charsi Tikka. That's how we make it. So it's just fresh meat, and then you skewer it. It's just you have to get the meat that you have to.
Okay. Okay.
It's all the ribs meat. Okay.
Oh, ribs
For the
meat,
Charsi Tikka, if you want to make it more delicious, so just use the ribs meat.
Ribs meat, yeah.
Lamb ribs.
Lamb ribs.
Not the goat ribs.
Oh,
okay?
okay, okay.
you will not get the same taste and flavor from the goat, and it's not gonna be that moist and soft that you get from the lamb meat. Okay,
Okay.
put salt on it. Salt. That's it.
That's it?
Okay, it is going right in the oven right now, and this one is ready to eat. There, Bismillah.
How many pounds of meat?
This is about 5.5 pounds.
5.5 pounds.
Yes. You just have to fry this meat with the onions
Okay.
all the way till it gets, when you see it from outside, it gets the crunch,
Okay.
and then you need to add the tomatoes on it.
Okay.
That will become color of your rice.
Wow. For how long you doing this job?
This
Old brother, yeah, the
for
cooking.
cooking for myself for
Yeah.
last 18 years.
18 years.
Yes.
Wow, you master, man.
Not really.
Master Dawood.
Master is something different.
Now, after couple minutes, you're gonna put the rice inside, yeah?
Yeah, no, you have to make the meat first and then put the rice in it.
Okay.
Yes.
First meat, then rice.
So as long as the tomatoes are not softened,
Okay.
so the meat cannot get softened, right?
Okay.
The tomato will get melt now,
Okay.
and then with the juice of tomato,
Okay.
the meat will get a little softer.
Awesome.
So when it comes like 70 to 50 to 100, 70
Okay.
to 100.
Okay.
Okay, not 100%, so 70%.
Okay.
Make the meat and then put the rice, so that 30% will cover with the dum. When you dum the rice,
Okay.
so 30% also will cover with the.
Awesome. Great, man, great.
It's got burned, right?
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at that. See, naan is ready. Tandoori naan. Oh, you didn't put water on?
No
water?
not yet.
Okay.
Because the tomatoes are not softened yet, right?
Oh,
if
yeah,
you put water, so these tomatoes will stay harder.
Oh, yeah.
It's your cooking is all about your control on the fire. If you can control on the fire, you can make it.
Awesome.
If you cannot, all the flavor, all the taste comes when you handle your fire.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
If you cannot handle it, you cannot make it.
Awesome.